I'm from the Bay Area, born and raised, East Palo Alto, Redwood City area. It's probably an area where most people don't like to drive through or find themselves. It has a reputation for not being the best place to live. I think because of the area that I grew up in, I wasn't really able to reach out. Through my career, I've hit a lot of roadblocks and I wasn't able to break certain stereotypes and walls. I had some technical skills just by virtue of really wanting to learn, but I didn't have specifically what they were looking for. But I thought, well, maybe that's a message to me to learn some technical skills. But as I started learning, I got so intrigued by it, and I would stay up late at night and watch tutorials, read documentation, try to build things. While I was taking courses and looking for a job, I received a newsletter that had a scholarship. And I thought, well, what do I have to lose? I'm already doing it on my own. A week to 2 weeks later, I got another message that I had been accepted for the scholarship. And I just remember crying.
The Adobe Digital Academy offers non-traditional candidates an on-ramp into technical careers. The Adobe Digital Academy is broken into 2 parts. The first phase is education, and the second phase is experience, with the ultimate goal of full-time employment.
I was blessed enough to be part of the Lightroom web team.
When we had her as an intern, she demonstrated that she was really interested in learning about engineering and actually getting much better at the craft. And she also demonstrated the basic skills that we knew we needed. It was clear that she would be able to grow into a very good engineer.
When I found out that I was going to be hired, it was amazing. This opportunity has really changed my circumstances in terms of giving me skills that I can carry on. It's given me stability. I'm currently a dev on the Lightroom web team, and I'm working on the front end development. I like working with a customer and sharing, the product and finding out what their needs are. Now my days are different. I get up every day, I'm excited to go to work, see my team, learn something new. I feel like I'm gaining skills that will transfer into any role that I ever apply to. And I have a sense of family with the people that I work with. I have a company that supports my growth when I want to learn. I'm really fortunate to have the opportunity to actually change my future.